Hello, second grade. Today I'm going to read to you If You Were a Fraction. I've never thought about myself being a fraction. I don't know about you. If you were a fraction, you would always be a part of something. I like that. You could be one wedge of an apple, 2 pieces of pie, 3 wedges of a pear, and 4 slices of pizza. So a fraction is a part of a whole. So however many pieces of pizza you have, or however many pieces of pie you have. So let's say the pie is cut into 8 pieces and I eat 2 of those pieces. That would be 2 over 8, 2/8. 2 out of 8 would be part out of the whole. The whole is 8, okay? This one looks like it's cut into fourths. It's cut into 4 pieces. So if I eat 1 piece of pizza, I've eaten 1/4, 1 out of the 4 pieces. If you were a fraction, you would be 1 or more equal parts of a whole. The hungry hippo eats a fraction of every pizza on the buffet table. He takes 1/2 of the vegetarian pizza, 1/8 of the sausage pizza, and 1/4 of the cheese pizza. Whew. See that? If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 3 equal parts. You would be thirds. Jenny juggles 3 red balls, 1 ball falls. Jenny has dropped 1/3, 1 out of 3, of the balls. Joey juggles 3 green balls, 2 balls fall. Joey has dropped 2/3 of the balls. He dropped 2 of the 3 balls. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 2 equal parts. You could be halves. The Zany zebra's flag is 1/2 white and 1/2 black. The loopy leopard's flag is 1/2 yellow and 1/2 black. The proud peacock's flag is 1/2 green and 1/2 purple. So 1 part is green, 1 part is purple. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 4 equal parts. You would be fourths. 1 window has 4 equal parts, or panes. If 1 pane is broken, 1/4 of the window is broken. See that broken one where the turtle is looking through? Ooh. If 3 panes are broken, 3/4 of the window is broken. See, 3 out of the 4 pieces are broken. Oh no. If you were a fraction, you could be divided into 8 equal parts. You would be eighths. Robin slices a raspberry pie, ooh, I love raspberry, into 8 pieces. Each bird gets 1 piece. Each bird gets 1/8 of the pie, 1 out of the 8 pieces. Delicious. If you were a fraction, you could be divided more than once. You could be 1 unit subdivided. So divided and then divided again into equal parts. Josie and Jackie split the yummy candy bar they each have. They each have 1/2. Then Johnny and Joey show up. Josie and Jackie split each part again. Now the candy bar is in 4 pieces. Josie, Jackie, Johnny, and Joey each have 1/4 of the candy bar. So let me show you that with a Post-it. They had a candy bar. You have to use your imagination. And they split it. So they each had a half. 1, 2. 1/2, here's the other half, and there's a hole, okay? Then, while they're getting ready to eat their halves, they have another person that walks along, and then they want to share. So here's the half, and what they're saying is you can divide and then divide again. So if I take the half and rip it again, rip this half, I have 4 pieces, Okay, so 4 equal pieces would be fourths. So we started with a whole, we went to halves, and then we split it into fourths. If you were a fraction, you could be part of a set. A set is a group that has something in common. Louis the tiger trainer has a set of 3 flaming hoops. Fanny the tiger jumps through the first flaming hoop, or 1/3 of the set. So she jumped through 1 of the 3. Fanny jumps through the second flaming hoop. Fanny has now jumped through 2/3 of the set. Fanny jumps through the third flaming hoop. Now Fanny has jumped through 3/3 of the set, or 1 whole set. So if the number on the fraction is the same on the top and bottom, it's a whole. So if you think about if you have a pizza and you divide it into 8 pieces, and then you eat all 8, you've had 1 whole pizza. If you were a fraction, you could be compared with other fractions. Buck, Buttercup, and Betsy make 6 cookies. Buttercup gets 1 of the 6 cookies. She has 1/6 of the cookies. Betsy gets 3 of the 6 cookies. She has 3/6 or 1/2 of the cookies. Buck gets 2 of the 6 cookies. He has 2/6 or 1/3 of the cookies. 1/6 is the smallest of the 3 fractions. Buttercup has the fewest cookies. 3/6 is the largest of the 3 fractions. Betsy has the most cookies. You would always be part of the whole if you were a fraction. How about that? Other examples of fractions that you are a part of. If you have brothers or sisters, for example, I have 1 brother, so I am 1/2 of the children in my family. I have 2 daughters, Sophie and Natalie, and I'm a girl. So 3/4 of the members of this household are girls. How about that? So can you give us an example of your family? And it could be anything. So let's say Sophie does gymnastics. 1/4 of our family are gymnasts, and I'm a teacher. So 1/4 of our family members are teachers. What else? I go to Creighton's Corner, and so do Sophie and Natalie, right? So 3/4 of our family members go to Creighton's Corner. So what kind of examples could you think of that would show how to use or have an example of fractions in your everyday life? Can't wait to hear from you.